Hi, my name is David Lee with DEWALT Industrial Accessories. Today we're going to talk about an accessory that's just recently launched that's a great tie to impact drivers. As we know, these tools have become more and more common on the job site. They create a tremendous amount of torque and they're very lightweight and easy to use. One of the challenges, however, when driving Phillips screws into metal-to-metal fastening is having bit tip breakage. And we're going to show an example of this. We've got a competitive bit tip and a standard driver. You can see how it just sheared the head right off the end of the screw. So it's a big frustration. You can imagine if you're up on a lift and this happens, that's an issue and you've got to go through another bit tip. So what we've created is actually a clutch, an external clutch in a very compact package. We call this an impact clutch. And what we'll demonstrate is it will actually clutch out and prevent the breakage of your fastener or your bit tip, which is also very common. See that the bit tip is untouched and ready for more screws. It's also very common to snap the head off the fastener, which is equally frustrating, and this will resolve that. And a nice feature about the clutch is you can actually turn it off if you do need that extra torque. You simply slide it forward and then the clutch is disengaged. So check it out, the impact clutch, and it's a great tie to the impact driver.